Alright, hello everyone. My name is Mauro, and this should be the second tutorial to make your own comic website. And this video focuses on purchasing your hosting service. If you go to the description, you'll see a link that links to the Hostgator website. It's an affiliate link, which means if you do sign up and purchase a hosting service, or if you haven't already purchased your domain from Godaddy, again, I recommend doing that. Once you do all that, just go to hostgator.com. You'll see this web hosting. Don't go to cloud hosting. Don't go to WordPress hosting. Just go to web hosting, and you'll just to make sure this is the right page. Yeah, see. Just some quick information. Hatching plan. That's only if you if you're doing this solo. Say you have if you're not part of a team, and another artist doesn't want to have their own website, or if you guys just want to try this out with only one website, you can do the hatching plan. You get a single website. You get the free SSL certificate. You'll notice this when you go to Chrome, I think mostly Chrome. I think all browsers do this now. You'll see this little thing that says secure, and that shows websites that have the HTTPS. You notice here, I'm sure you've seen websites that are just HTTP, but they'll say they're unsecure, and that's kind of like a turnoff for some people, especially when they want to make an account. But say you do want it to say secure, give your readers some peace of mind. HostGator gives you a free SSL certificate, so you're okay with that. You're going to be covered. But I recommend going with the baby plan. I guess they're having a little special. It's now 60% off. So it looks like the first month. Look at the asterisk, right? Don't think these prices will stay the same. But be prepared to pay within around $12 a month, $13 a month. And again, that's not that bad. That's just a restaurant meal from Whataburger, or a dinner anywhere, a couple of days. So it's not gonna break your wallet. So say you want the baby plan, just go to buy now. Okay, so this, just since you already have a website, at least I'm sure you did already purchase it. You can either right now, just look for a domain, or you can just say I already own this domain. All right, so just type it in .com. You're fine. Okay, we're doing the baby plan. Well, let's scroll all the way down. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, that looks horrible, right? $197. All right, so why is this so much? Well, because you're gonna pay all this kind of up front. So if you don't want to have a really long commitment, just do the 1 month plan. So what this does, every month it renews, and you'll pay $11.95 a month, right? So again, look, now it's $41. Well, don't worry, that number is going to go low. Create your username, just follow the recommendations, security, PIN, type in your information. Okay, so this is included free, so you don't have to worry about that. You can get this if you want. I don't really need it. I don't think you need it. You don't need the email. You don't need the backup. Of course, you can if you have the money. Just go for it. And it looks like you already have a code. So now look, all that, if you say no to everything, well, let's say you want the backup. Now it's $38 because you're gonna pay the $23.95 right here and there. So it's $2 a month, but you pay it annually. All right, and then just say you've read. Trust me, they're not gonna screw you over. And just check out now. You'll get an email that that takes you to your cPanel. which will look something like this. So just log in, type in your stuff. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. Do you see my information? Alright, looks like there's nothing here that you don't already know. I do have the code card active online. Yeah, and this one's for myself plus my website. A lot of these I really don't care. Okay, so look for... I just saw them. What happened to them? Okay, so you're going to have to go back to your... Well, if you didn't already do the GoDaddy and you just did the Hostgator to buy your domains, you probably don't have to do this, or you don't have to do this. But if you did do the GoDaddy, you need to copy and paste these primary name servers and secondary name servers. So so just copy the first one. And here, let me just go here. So go back to your account at GoDaddy. If I click any of these, you're going to see some of my information. So just click whatever website. Or you should only have one website, right? So click on your one domain that you bought. Click it, then scroll all the way down. And you'll see something that says check your DNS management. And then you'll see name servers. All right. So right now, yours probably says default. And it's probably like a GoDaddy thing. And you can check by just go to the search bar, type in your domain, and you'll probably see a GoDaddy web page holder. So just click change, custom. Again, this is for me. This isn't yours. Again, so primary, secondary, copy that information. Copy, paste, save. And afterwards, it might take like 5 hours. I don't know how long. Usually it shouldn't be that long. And then you should see a difference. And when you type in your domain on the search bar, you'll probably see a GoDaddy coming soon page. And yeah, well, that's it for this video. It shouldn't be that. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, in the next video, we're going to install WordPress. So all you have to do is go to where website is. Well, right here, really. Build a WordPress site. But in case it's a little bit harder, just go to one-click installs. And you'll see a couple of things that you can, again, one-click install. And you might recognize some of these things, like a forum, e-commerce. But we're going to do WordPress. And that's for the next video, which I'll see you then. All right? Bye-bye.